Ambulances rushed to the scene of an Israeli airstrike in Beirut's southern suburbs late on Tuesday. The strike targeted a senior Hezbollah commander. This comes as a retaliation for a cross-border rocket attack 3 days prior, which killed 12 children and teenagers. A loud blast was heard and smoke rose above the southern suburbs, which is a Hezbollah stronghold. A Reuters witness reported the explosion at around 7:40 p.m. local time. A senior Lebanese security source confirmed the target was a senior Hezbollah commander and his fate is still unclear. Lebanon's state-run news agency stated the strike targeted the area around Hezbollah's Shura council in the Haret Hreik neighborhood. Beirut has been tense for days, anticipating an Israeli attack in response to the rocket strike on the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights. The attack, which killed the 12 youngsters in a Druze village, has been denied by Hezbollah.